Are you having problems with your myAudi app not working and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually me myself, I had the exact same problem before, that my myAudi app wasn't actually working for me, and this is what I did. Firstly, I just closed the app and instead I went into my settings app on my phone. So now on your settings app, then what you're going to do is to just scroll down in here and then you're going to click where it says general. So click on general, and as you can see, you should now be taken to this page, which is perfect. So now as you can see, there is a bunch of like options for us here to choose in here, but in here you're just going to scroll down and find where it says storage. So click on storage, and as you can see, it's going to take us a couple of seconds for this page to completely load. So we're now just going to wait for this page to completely load, and when it's done, we're going to then find myAudi app in here, and in there we're going to be able to potentially fix this problem, just so you know. So we're just going to keep waiting here. Sometimes it does take a little bit of time, depends on how much memory that you currently use on your phone, just so you know. So for some of you, it will probably take you either like a couple of seconds or a couple of minutes, as you can see. So now when we are done, what we're going to do in here, as you can see, I have all the apps in here. So we're just going to click on show all here. Keep scrolling down until you can see the myAudi app. So click on myAudi, as you can see in here, and then click on offload app, and once again click on offload app in here, and then click on the blue button here once again. Just wait for your myAudi app to completely update to the latest version. So as you can see, it says loading here now, and that means that it's now being updated to the latest version. Just wait and then go back into your myAudi app after it's done, and hopefully now it's working for you as well.